Hi everyone, welcome to the Pirates of Knowledge channel. Today we are going to see the current affairs of March. Okay, let us see. The first event is India is a host to 457 migratory fauna and it was shown by CMS list. What is CMS list? CMS list is nothing but that is conservation of migratory species. Today scientists says that the total number of migratory fauna from India comes to 457 species. And the bats are the most compromised species, almost 83%. Zoological Survey of India had taken the list from the first time of migratory species of India under the CMS. And it is held before the Conference of Parties at Gujarat recently. Before it is 451 species, but now later 6 species were added. They are Asian elephant, Great Indian bustard, Bengal florican, Oceanic white-tip Uriel and smooth hammerhead shark. Okay, now what are migratory mammals? In India we have 44 migratory mammal species and latterly we have added 2 and they are the Asian elephant was added to the appendix 1 and another one is Uriel is added to the appendix 2. And the most important thing is the largest group of mammals is bat and it is belonging to the family of Vespertilidae. And the second most group of mammals are dolphins and it is having 9 migratory species of dolphins. And now migratory bats. The bats family Musicapidae has the highest number of migratory species. And the next highest group of migratory bats is raptors or bats of prey such as eagles, owls, vultures and kites which are formed in the family of Accipitridae. And in our country we have 3 flyways. In that flyways, the flight pods are used by bats and they are the Central Asian flyway, East Asian flyway and the East Asian Australasian flyway. And now migratory fish. The total number of migratory fish species from India under the CMS now stands at 24. Recently, the Oceanic white-tip shark and the smooth hammerhead shark are the new additions into the list. And then migratory reptiles. We have 7 reptiles which include 5 special of turtles and the Indian gharial and saltwater crocodile. These are the species in the CMS list that is found in India. And the next topic is mini moon. Yeah, recently the astronomers have observed a small object in the orbiting Earth which is named as a mini moon or the planet of second moon. Mini moon was discovered in the NASA funded Catalina Sky Survey CSS in Arizona. And it is a temporarily captured object and it has a diameter of 1.9 to 3.5 meters. And now we are going to see the Svalbard Global Seed Vault. Recently, a fresh stock of 60,000 new seed samples from 36 different institutions worldwide was deposited to the Reserve Vault of Seeds in February 2020. And now what is Svalbard Global Seed Vault? It simply refer to the Earth Doomsday Vault and it is now containing about 1.05 million seeds. Ultimate aim of the vault is to mainly preserve a vast variety of crop seeds in the case of Doomsday event or sometimes national emergency also. Okay, let's see India's seeds bank. Yeah, India also established its own seed storage and these facilities of seed storage at Changla in Ladakh. And the next event is schemes to preserve and promote languages, folk dance, art and culture of tribals. The zonal culture centers under the Ministry of Culture is now implementing a number of schemes and it is mainly promoting the folk, tribal art and culture. And the schemes are Guru Shishya Parambara. Schemes are transmitting our value traditions to the coming generation. Now see zonal culture centers. In India, it is set up 7 zonal cultures. Sakatiya Academy and autonomous organizations under the Ministry of Culture is also encourages the preservation and promotion of the languages. Especially, they are mainly concentrated on the unrecognized and tribal languages. Okay, let me see the topic which is related to the art and culture. Dholavira, a Harappan city and monuments and forts of Deccan Sultanate. Government of India is already submitted the 2 nominations which are Harappan city and the monuments of forts of Deccan Sultanate for the World Heritage List of the year 2020. Okay, let me see Dholavira. It is an archaeological site at Kutch district in the state of Gujarat. It is one of the 5 largest Harappan sites and the most prominent archaeological sites in India. And these sites are belonging to the Indus Valley civilization and now monuments and forts of Deccan Sultanate. In ancient times, Deccan Sultanates have 5 dynasties that ruled late medieval kingdoms, which are Vijaypur, Golconda, Ahmednagar, Berar and Berar in the southwestern India. And their architecture was the regional variant of Indo-Islamic architecture, and it is heavily influenced by the style of Delhi Sultanate and later Mughal architecture. But sometimes these architectures are directly from the Persia and Central Asia. The next art and culture event is Article Pongala. The Kerala government has recently decided to go ahead with Article Pongala after the recovery of positive coronavirus. And this Article Pongala is actually held in Article Temple in Thiruvananthapuram. It is the largest congregation of women festival in the world. Pongala, which means to boil over, and it is a ritual in which women prepare sweet payasam. Payasam is nothing but a pudding made from a rice, jaggery, coconut and plantation cooked together. They offer it to the goddess or Bhagavati. South Indian vultures. The South Indian vulture conservation groups has come up with the blueprint for the conservation of vulture population in 5 South Indian states. And what is the conservation strategy? It is need to restrict the availability of non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs for veterinary use. Drugs has wiped out 90% of vulture population and disposal of cattle waste in forest. The main conservation strategy is to create a vulture safe zone in each South Indian state. And what are the current conservation status of Indian vultures? There are 4 vultures in South India out of 9 in India. There are white-backed vulture, long-billed vulture, slender-billed vulture and red-headed vulture. And these 4 vultures are listed as critically endangered migratory species. These 4 species are mostly found in the Moyer Valley. It is in Nilgiris. And now government approves 32 projects under Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana. Indian government has recently launched a total number of 32 projects has been sanctioned under the unit. They say the project is to create the direct and indirect employment of about 15,000 persons, and it is mainly focused on the rural areas. And about the Pradhan Mantri Kisan Sampada Yojana, it is launched in 2017, and this scheme is mainly for agro-marine processing and development of agro-processing clusters. Okay, now see red snow in Antarctica. Recently, the snow around Ukraine's Vernadsky research base, and it is located in the coast of Antarctica's northmost peninsula.